Who is a senior counsel and how does one become a senior counsel in Kenya? This question has been asked by so many people that I had to do a video on it. We'll start with the definition. A senior counsel is an advocate of the High Court of Kenya who has been conferred the title senior counsel by the President of the Republic of Kenya. Number one, they have to be advocates of the High Court of Kenya. If you have not watched my video on the difference between lawyer and advocate in Kenya, please go and watch that video. Number two, they have to be conferred the title senior counsel by the President of the Republic of Kenya. By conferment, it means they have to be bestowed, they have to be awarded. So people don't just wake up one day and start calling themselves senior counsel, because it is a title, a prestigious title that has to be awarded by the President of the Republic of Kenya. What is the process of becoming a senior counsel? The process begins with a special committee. This committee comprises of judges of the Supreme Court, of the Court of Appeal, and of the High Court. It also comprises of the Attorney General, the chairperson of the Law Society of Kenya, 3 senior counsels, and 2 advocates who have practiced for at least 5 years. So the committee announces an opening for applications for senior counsels, and advocates who are interested in being conferred this title submit their applications. There are qualifications that need to be met. I'll discuss a few, but there are other qualifications. Number 1, the advocate must have practiced for not less than 15 years. The advocate should be an advocate of high integrity and has not been found in any misconduct. And number 3, they have to have contributed to the development of the legal profession. This is either by training junior advocates, through scholarly writings and presentations, or through arguing serious cases in superior courts, and those cases have formed precedent. By precedent, I mean they have formed rules that can be used in the future. These are just some of the qualifications, but there are other qualifications. The list is then publicly published for comments and objections. So people who have comments or objections on why the applicants should or should not be conferred this title will then share their comments or objections. The committee then sits down with the comments, objections, the applications, the qualifications, and they come up with a final list of the people who are most qualified to be conferred the title senior counsel. The names are then shared with the Chief Justice, who shares them with the President of the Republic of Kenya, and the President does the conferring or the awarding of the title senior counsel. In the next video, we will be talking about the privileges or the advantages of being called a senior counsel in Kenya. See you in the next one. Have a good one.